Hi, this is John from Final Cut Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is really cool. It's about how to make a multicam clip in your Final Cut Pro library and then edit that multicam clip in your project. Let me show you how. Here I made a new Final Cut Pro library and I brought the two separate camera clips into the library. Each person is mic'd to a separate camera, so it's really easy to make a multi-clip out of these. If you just highlight these two clips and you right-click them, and you can choose new multicam clip, and you're going to sync it with this check mark with audio because that's the easiest way to sync up multicam clips if both cameras have audio on them. So I'm going to hit OK, and it makes the multicam clip here. You can see with the icon the multicam clip. If I double click it, it opens up into the multicam clip so I can see the two clips that are sunk together. But now I want to start editing, so I'm going to make a new project, and I'm going to call it multi. And I'll leave it at the automatic settings. So now if I take this multicam clip and I drag it into the project and I scroll through it, I only see one camera, and that's because I have to go to the view menu here and say angles, and this is going to show both the angles that you have in this multi-clip. So what's really great about this is that I can just play this multi-clip and I can just click the different angles and it's going to make the cuts for me. So as I go through this cut and I say I want to change to this camera, I can just click it as it's running and it's making the cuts. You can see in the timeline here it's making cuts. So I'll click just one more angle, and then when I stop it, it already made those cuts for me. So as I drag through it, you can see the camera angles change to where I cut them to. So you can actually adjust these cuts pretty easily if you go to the trim tool and you get right on the cut, and if you roll the cut left or right, you can adjust the cut without breaking the sync because you're rolling in at the same rate that you're rolling out. So that is a really basic lesson on how to make a multi-clip and edit with a multi-clip. Thank you for watching. Like or subscribe. See you next time.